What's good, y'all? Welcome back to MossTheJockey channel. Today we're gonna do a ride down the street and a ride by. Everybody's been asking to hear it. You know what I'm saying? They say the videos don't do justice, so I'm gonna ride it up and down the street and let you guys hear a take on it. If you don't know, this is the 14 speaker CVO ST 2024. It's my pop's bike. We got 6 6x9s, 6 bullet tweeters, and 2 6.5s. And we're running 2 Solar Vega mini amps. So I'm gonna let you guys hear it and tell me what you guys think. Cool, let's go.
So what's up with these jabroni ass niggas trying to see Compton? The industry can hate me, fuck up all that big mama. How many options you really got? I mean, it's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body, I'm John Stockton. Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watch you. Sometimes you gotta pop out. They not like us. Came home, y'all didn't deserve him either. From Alonzo down to Central, nigga better not speak on Serena. He homeboy, he subpoena. That predator moving flocks. That name gotta be registered and placed on neighborhood watch. I lean on you niggas like another line of walk. Yeah, it's all eyes on me and I'ma send it up the park. Ay, put the road label over here, I'ma get them dropped. Ay, sweet kid music and I won't pass the ox. Ay, how many stocks do I really have in stock? Ay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Ay, devil is a lie, here 69 dot. Ay, freaky ass niggas need to stay their ass inside. Ay, roll their ass up like a fresh pack of time. Ay, city is back up, it's a must, we outside. Ay.
That's it for you guys right there. Tell me what you think. Speaker's still breaking in, still all brand new. I'll be coming on some more. If I can try to find some more copyright-free videos. Shout out to Kendrick Lamar. He made that song copyrights free for all the YouTubers. So if you guys trying to listen, slap some music, slap that song. So, but yeah, straight out of Cali, MossTheJockey. Like and subscribe. Thank you.